TapClicks for Google Sheets is a simple way to access all of your unified TapClicks data in Google Sheets. There are many ways that you can use these two tools together to transform your data. Here are just a few. By pulling your TapClicks data into Google Sheets, you can transform the formatting and combine with other data that perhaps isn't stored in TapClicks. You can create formulas to calculate your agency and profit margins. You can also build out budget pacing in Google Sheets to help you stay on target with your campaigns. And of course, you can conduct additional analysis and reporting in Google Sheets by leveraging this connection with TapClicks. If you feel most comfortable working in spreadsheets, connect TapClicks to Google Sheets. You can leave the data compilation to TapClicks and work where you want. Get started by searching for TapClicks in the Google Workspace Marketplace.